Welcome to Melodies of Flavors, where we bring you delightful recipes from around the world. Today, we're making a traditional Persian dessert, saffron rice pudding, also known as Sholeh Zard. It's creamy, fragrant, and absolutely delicious. Make sure to check the description below for the full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Let's get started. First, soak 2 cups of rice in water for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for the perfect texture of our pudding. After soaking, drain the rice and add it to a pot with 12 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Remember, don't use basmati rice. Smaller grains work best for this dish. As the rice begins to boil, you'll see some foam on the top. Skim it off. This makes our pudding look clear and more appealing. Keep cooking the rice until it's completely mushy. If the water level goes down before the rice is fully cooked, just add a little more water. Now, for the magic ingredient. Add 1 cup of brewed saffron. To brew saffron, sprinkle hot water over crushed saffron strands and wait a bit. This releases its beautiful color and aroma. Next, add 3 cups of sugar. If you like it sweeter, feel free to add 1 more cup. But remember, only add sugar after the rice is fully cooked. Then mix in 50 grams of butter, giving our pudding a rich flavor. Cover the pot with a towel and let it sit for about 15 minutes. It's time for nuts. Add 1 to 2 cup of slivered almonds and 1 to 2 cup of chopped pistachios. Mix well. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of rose water, giving our pudding that signature fragrance. Let the pudding cook for about 10 more minutes. If it looks too runny, let it cook a bit longer. It will thicken as it cools down. Before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe and like if you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribing helps us bring more delicious recipes directly to you. It's free and it supports our channel. Plus, you won't miss any of our tasty adventures. Thank you for watching and enjoy your saffron rice pudding. See you next time.